is an activation of the Amber Alert system at the request of the Wilmer Police Department. Statewide child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Wilmer Police Department is searching for Ian Aguilar, Hispanic male, 10 years old, 4 feet tall, black hair, brown eyes. The victim was last seen at 7:30 a.m. today at the 20 block of Oakdale Street in Wilmer, Texas, wearing unknown clothing. Police are looking for Juan Aguilar Cano, 38 years old, white male, 5'7", 160 pounds, black hair, black eyes, last seen wearing unknown clothing in connection with their abduction. The suspect is driving a tan 2007 Chevrolet Tahoe bearing license plate number KVZ1194. Suspect was last seen in Wilmer, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Wilmer Police Department at 972-441-6565. We now resume normal programming.
Confessing, yeah.